If you want to unlink your Wish account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open the Wish app or website. Launch the Wish app on your mobile device or visit the Wish website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your Wish account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. You can typically find this option by clicking on your profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find linked accounts. Look for a section labeled linked accounts or social media accounts. This section will show you all the accounts that are connected to your Wish account. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. In the linked accounts section, locate the Facebook option. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Wish. Click on this option. Step 5. Confirm the action. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to unlink your Facebook account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Wish account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Wish customer support for assistance.